Today we're going to fix a spring strawberry spinach salad, and I'm so excited to have my sweet, lovely mama, Miss Janie Smith, here with us today as we put together this fun salad. So first we're going to go ahead and toast our pecans for 8 minutes on 350 degrees. Just sprinkle you some on a baking sheet and pop them in the oven. So Mom and I are going to work on the dressing, and we will be right back. Please note that the recipe is in the caption below, especially with all the measurements, so we'll be right back. Yep, so we're back and we've got our dressing made, and so next we're going to put in the spinach. And then we'll just toss it together with the dressing. I'll let you toss it, because if I start tossing, it's going to go in the air. All right, next we're going to put our toasted pecans. I'll just let you... Yay.
I think that's good.
Yay. Looks good.
Next.
Onion.
Onion.
Yep, onion next.
Okay. Next,
Then we're going to do our strawberries. Half of it, about half of that. Yeah. Awesome. Okay, and then we're going to sprinkle some feta cheese on the top. Voila! A beautiful spring strawberry spinach salad. It's hard to say that. Spring strawberry spinach salad. So there you have it. Spring strawberry spinach salad. Thanks, Mom, for joining us.
It's fun.
Hope you guys enjoy.